welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hello, my name is V and I do videos on hair makeup reviews and tutorials. I guess in my last few videos that I've done, they've been about mental health and a little bit about dating, and here I am back with another hair video. I have always wanted to try hair extensions for the longest time because, you know, my hair, I find it grows pretty slow, and over the last few years with a lot of stress and anxiety that I've been undergoing, I've been losing a lot of hair. So when Amazing Beauty reached out to me, I was so excited to be able to try their hair extensions that are real human hair. They have so many different kinds of hair extensions to choose from on their website. I will put the link for you below. I had a hard time trying to figure out what would work for me. You know, they have the halo hair extensions, the clip-ins, the tapes, all of it, and I was just really excited to choose something from what they have, and I finally have it here with me. The box that it comes in is pretty slick. You know, it's nothing too heavy duty because, you know, we don't like wasting cardboard, so this fits everything perfectly. I really love the quote that it has on the back. It says, "Invest in your hair. It is the crown you never take off." Your hair is literally the crown that you wear. You want to take care of it, and you want to be proud of what it does to your face and how it makes you feel. This is definitely going to be a game changer in what has been going on with my hair care. So let's open her up. So it just folds open this way, and the hair extensions come in this silky little baggie. It also comes with a black comb here. So this is really useful for sectioning off your hair when you're gonna be putting in the hair extensions. We also have some kind of very heavy duty hair clip here. I'm not too sure how this works. Let's see. So it opens up and then you can like lock it. Okay. The box also includes 2 additional hair clip pieces in case anything were to happen to your clips. And at the bottom, there's also this little pamphlet here, and it has actually the instructions on the washing and daily care of your hair extensions and any questions or concerns that you may have while using them. So let me go ahead and show you guys what the extensions look like. A little bit messy, I'll have to brush these before I put them in. So as you can see, there is quite a bit of hair. So the hair extension bundle itself, it comes with 4 of these guys with the 2 clips, 2 of these which has 3 clips, and there is 1 which has the 4 clips. Altogether, that is quite a bit of hair that can go on your head. Really great for my hair that has been really thinning out. Let's put my hair forward. Yeah, my hair was not always this thin. The amount of stress and anxiety that I've been undergoing the last few years with school, dating, and just life situations, I've just been losing a lot of hair. So I'm really excited to have these that I can wear, you know, when I'm going out, I'm going on a date, doing something a little bit more special. As you can see, my hair is mid-length, pretty blunt. I do have a little bit of layers in the front, but for the most part, it is all one single length, which is a little bit tricky sometimes to blend into hair extensions, but I'm gonna show you how to do that. So just looking at a 2-clip strand, this is what it looks like. I'm actually very amazed at how seamless the ombre is. It looks very smooth. The texture of it is very soft. Doesn't feel like it's been dyed. It feels pretty much like your hair would after you've gone to the salon. Very nice and healthy, which is exactly what we want. The blonde itself actually has streaks of brown and lighter and darker colors of blonde going through. So it's not just one full shade of blonde going down. So the shade that I picked out is the 140 grams Ombre T2/6 clip-in extensions, obviously with the clips on the side. Online, it looked like it was maybe gonna be a little bit more blunt with the darkness, but it matches very well with my natural root color. So let's go ahead and I will show you how to put these in your hair. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead with my Tangle Teezer hairbrush, and I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair. So I looked up on YouTube ways that you can try to hide your natural hair while wearing extensions. So I did find this video by Edith Mayer. I'll put the link for you below, and she did a really great job in covering her blunt short hair and wearing her extensions. So I'm gonna be using her method on how I managed to put this together. I'm gonna go ahead with my comb and section off a layer from the bottom. I'm trying to show you guys, but also do this at the same time. This is a little challenging to show you the back of my head. So what we don't want when we're putting in hair extensions is to be able to see these under parts here when you have your hair flowing down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to hide these. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually take this and twist it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go ahead with my 4-piece clip and I'm gonna attach that to the back. Hard for me to kind of see in the light, but normally you want to try to put your hairline to be as even as possible when you're putting it up. Release another section of hair and do the same thing. Okay, so this is what it looks like without curling them. I didn't start twisting my hair when I got pretty much to this section. I let my natural hair come down. You can have these looser ends of your natural hair coming out, but have them more at the top so that when you have your hair at the bottom here, it's seamless and it's all one length. When you have choppiness on the sides, that gives away that you have hair extensions in your head. This feels so good. I feel like I have so much hair. Holy shit, look at this. I've never had hair this long. So I'm gonna show you guys how well these curl, mixing up with my natural hair that I have going on, and you can see for yourselves. Okay, to style my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and section off into 2 pieces. Pretty much any hair that's above my ear, I'm gonna use that as one section. The curler that I have today is by Lange Hair. This is a 1.5-inch barrel. This is probably one of my favorites. It gives you really nice soft waves. So let's give this a try. It's so long, it can hardly wrap around the whole barrel. So normally I would say use heat protectant, but I forgot mine at my other house. So I'm not going to be using some. I'm a very bad example. Use heat protectant on your hair and take care of it. So as you can see, this is a pure strand from the hair extensions and it curls beautifully. It feels bouncy, it feels lively. This is really amazing. Okay, so this is the final result with it being curled. As you can see, it does curl super well. It is 100% real hair. I do know the first time that I didn't use hairspray when I curled them, and they didn't last quite as long as my natural hair. My natural hair is kind of wavy, so it can take curls a lot better. So I do recommend wearing hairspray, but then you would have to make sure that you are washing them regularly. All right, so that concludes this video. I hope you guys liked my review of the Amazing Beauty hair extensions. I am absolutely in love with these. They feel incredible. I'm really happy that I finally got to try out hair extensions. I've been wanting to do it for a while now. I don't know why it took me so long to finally get to it. If you're looking to have, you know, longer, thicker hair, definitely give this a try. I do have a coupon code available, which is ABHVanessa for $10 off any of your purchases. So go ahead and use that and get yourself a pair of these hair extensions. Remember to like and subscribe for my latest videos. My next video is going to be how I dyed my hair to this color to match my hair extensions. My Instagram is also v_Vogue, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!